Today we're making a fruit soda bread that's as simple as it is delicious. No yeast, no waiting around, just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of love and you get to create something that's truly special. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now this fruit bread is so simple, no yeast, no kneading and no proving time. You can have it cooling out the oven within an hour. So let's get cooking. To a large bowl, add 500 grams or 4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour, 100 grams or half a cup of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 200 grams or 1 cup of really juicy raisins and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix together. This is your dry mix. Now break 2 large eggs into a small bowl and whisk gently with a fork for a few seconds. Now I'm going to pour most of this mixture into another bowl, but I'm going to leave just a little bit behind, about a tablespoon, and that's to brush the bread with before it goes in the oven. To that egg, add 250 ml or 1 cup plus 2 teaspoons of buttermilk and 50 grams or 3 tablespoons plus a teaspoon of melted butter. Mix it all together. It'll go a bit lumpy, but that's fine. This is your wet mix. Now pour your wet mix into your dry mix and stir it together with your fork until you get a nice sticky dough. And then I like to use my hands to pull it all together. So once we've got this all mixed together, we're going to form it into a rough cob shape and then place it on a floured baking tray. Now use a sharp knife to make a large cross across the middle of the bread, cutting about 1 inch deep. Use a pastry brush and give that whole loaf a good egg wash using that reserved egg. Then place in a preheated oven at 175°C or 350°F fan. We want to cook it for about 40 to 45 minutes until that bread is lovely and golden. Then take out of the oven, transfer to a cooling rack and leave to cool. Then slice it up and serve slathered in butter. And there you go, that's my super simple fruit soda bread. You can serve it warm just like this, you can serve it cold, or you can toast it and slather it with butter and serve it with a nice cup of tea for a happy breakfast.